Are you looking to create a thriving and dynamic workplace that celebrates diversity and fosters inclusion? Diverse teams have consistently exhibited higher levels of creativity, innovation, and problem-solving capabilities, resulting in a staggering 20% increase in revenue over the past year. Make sure your company is diverse, inclusive, and positive. Bottom line. Pen down a well-crafted D&I policy to celebrate your team and establish a non-biased diversity council that create equal work opportunities and inclusive work cultures. Download this pre-designed PowerPoint presentation to create a collaborative culture that stimulates creativity, enhances problem-solving, and encourages teamwork. Develop a diversity council that serves as the cornerstone of fostering an inclusive workplace where every individual feels valued and respected. By bringing together employees from various backgrounds and levels within the company, the council ensures that diverse perspectives are represented in decision-making processes. The framework of D&I sits on pillars such as attract, retain, and develop. Use this PPT template to outline an actionable framework. A diversity council to be successful requires support from the senior team, comprehensive communication plan, alignment with overall business strategy, well-defined metrics to track D&I initiatives, and more. Grab this content-ready PowerPoint presentation to outline D&I policies that are creative and supportive of different voices. It is important to highlight roles and responsibilities of Diversity Council for proper functioning of the organization and its workforce. Also, use a content-ready RACI matrix to map out each member's tasks in implementing the D&I policies. This particular PPT slide will help you execute tasks on time, eliminate uncertainties, and track progress. Deploy this professional and appealing diversity and inclusion PowerPoint presentation to have a team of equitable employers and healthy workplace.